Hello everyone. If you want to increase the speed of a audio file in Audacity, that is really easy. First of all, you need to add a clip of audio. I don't have it, so let's record it. Hello, this is a simple recording that I am making. Here we have it. Now, in order to increase the speed of an audio file, we can either select what we need, or double click and select everything. We go on Effect, change speed, and here we can move and decide to slow it down or increase the speed. For example, I want to double the voice speed, and here we have it.
Hello, this is a simple recording that I am making.
Yes, it sounds like the chipmunks, and it's really weird, but this is a speed. This is what happens when you increase the speed of an audio file. So be careful of how much you increase the speed of it, but this is how you do it. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.